Welcome to Northeast Colorado. I know when I say I'm from Colorado, many people think mountains, but we are in the other part of the state, the northeast corner, where it's all about agriculture, cows, and corn. So if you're traveling down the interstate and you happen to see a little town called Fort Mogan, that's where we are at, and we are proud to live here. The only constant that we have in this area is that it's windy. So if you see pillows toppling over or quilts swaying in the wind, that's just where we live. So we get quite a bit of wind. But today I am introducing you to our new fabric collection called Branded, and it is due out in stores in June. It's a perfect time of the year to introduce Branded because I know a lot of ranchers are out branding their spring calves. So it's just a perfect time to introduce you to our branded fabric. In the branded fabric line, we have our reds, blues, our taupe color, and some black. This fabric was really fun to create. If you can remember, a few months ago, it was probably even a year ago, I asked for you guys to submit your ranch names, your farm names, and we used those names and we included it in one of the prints of the fabric collection. So make sure you check that out. It's a fun collection to sew with, and we have quite a few different varieties of projects that we have used. This first one that I'll tell you about is a custom quilt that we had online a few months ago, and you can customize it. I believe there was a couple different blocks that you could customize it. One of, if you had a brand, you could submit your brand, and we did a little block for you there. I was a little sneaky in this one. I put mine on there, so I guess that quilt is mine. So sorry to my sister or my mom, but that one is mine. Without ripping it, it's attached to the barbed wire. But there is another block in here that you could, and there goes the pillow, that you could tell us what your state name was as well. So that's a fun quilt that we have. If you're interested in that one, just let us know, and we can, and it's all falling. we can get that quilt. We can do those custom blocks for you. Another quilt that we have is this quilt, and this quilt will be in our idea book. It features our sampler panels. We have two different types of panels, two different packages of panels, 4 in each package. They are, you can do quilts with them, you can do pillows with them. There's just a wide variety of projects that will be included in the idea book, and that will be coming out in June as well. This one is really cute. It has just individual different little brands, American Cattle Company, map of the United States with some ranch names on that. So these panels are some of my very favorites. So be sure to check those out. We also have a quilt called This Is the Life, and this, I believe, is a quilt kit that Moda has put together. You can order it directly through Moda, and once again, it's a very simple, fun quilt to put together. The last one to show you is called Stars and Stripes, and these patches in the center are actually made of canvas. I believe the collection has 4 different canvases, a stripe one and a star one, both in the blue and the taupe colorway. So we are excited about Branded, and if you, another inspiration from Branded was the movie Yellowstone. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Yellowstone. It's probably not a show for everybody, but I definitely enjoyed it, and so we were watching Yellowstone, and we thought it would be kind of fun to have a branded fabric line. I believe I saw yesterday that the new season of Yellowstone is coming out June 21st, so there's a little countdown in our house till that show comes out. But tune into that, and while you're waiting to tune in, make sure you pick up some of our fabric and create some of our fun projects. Thank you.